If you wish to deliver a heartfelt speech on APJ Abdul Kalam, keep reading. Respected audience, today I stand before you to speak about one of India's most inspiring personalities, APJ Abdul Kalam. His journey from the small town of Rameswaram to becoming the President of India. Born into a modest family, young Kalam had to sell newspaper to support his family's income. However, his passion for learning never diminished. He studied physics and aerospace engineering, which laid the foundation for his remarkable scientific career. At ISRO and DRDO, Kalam became the architect of India's missile program. His leadership in developing the SLV-3 and various missile systems earned him the title Missile Man of India. But what set him apart was not just his scientific achievement, it was his vision for India's future. As a president, he connected with people, especially the youth, in a way few leaders had. He didn't just occupy the Rashtrapati Bhavan, he transformed it into a center of inspiration. His dream of developed India, captured in his vision of India 2020, inspired millions. Even after his presidency, Kalam continued to serve the nation through education and public service. His sudden passing while addressing students at IIM at Ceylon was in many ways a fitting farewell for a man who would live to inspire next generation. Dr. Kalam's legacy teaches us that no dream is too big and no background is too humble to achieve greatness. Thank you.
Now I would like to deliver a speech on Ratan Tata. Good evening and welcome to everyone present here.
Good evening.
Now I will be presenting a speech on Sri Ratan Tata. Ratan Tata was not an ordinary industrial and billionaire. All his life he worked for the welfare of nation and its people. His philanthropic deeds and determination to offer the best for his people are what make him an extraordinary individual. He was the chairman of Tata Sons and grew from 1990 to 2012, where he took the Tata to new heights. To make his global presence, he acquired Jaguar, Land Rover, Rolls and Tetley. Every billions of dollars he gave in charity served as a lifeline for million impoverished people. According to records, he donated more than 60% of his income salary to charity. His philanthropic ideas have inspired millions of people around the globe to help those in need. In 2010, he donated around $50 million to the construction of an executive center at Harvard Business School in USA. Not everyone can be as great as Sri Ratan Tata ji, but we must follow his ideals and offer our service to the nation and those in need. Thank you.